What's up guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the best Instagram hashtag strategy to help you guys rank for every single hashtag that you are using. So you guys may be wondering if it actually works, and to be honest, I didn't think that hashtags were even useful, but they are. And as soon as I figured out this little strategy, that's when I realized how crucial and important hashtags are, okay? So we're gonna do a quick screen sharing so that you guys can see exactly what I do, and I have a little PDF slideshow, I have a document, and we're gonna dive into my Instagram, so I'm gonna literally break down everything just for you so that you guys can use this strategy and rank for your hashtags, which is then going to lead to more organic followers. Okay, so literally every single video, that is the purpose, and I'm repeating myself, but that's okay. I want you guys to realize how important these little techniques are. So right here on my screen, we are on my hashtag strategy little PDF that I put together. And these are screenshots that I took of hashtags that I ranked, okay? So right here, travel couples, 65,000 posts, and I'm on the second picture. Right here, internet business, I'm on the fourth one, 67,000 posts. 85,000 posts, I'm the top ranked for this particular hashtag. So it works, and some more evidence that it works right here. Work smarter, not harder, 151,000 posts. And again, I'm on the top 9. Here, 265,000 posts, travel adventures. I'm on the second top post. Here, work from anywhere, almost 1 million posts, and I'm on the third of the top posts. So now that you guys understand how basically that it works, I'm going to show you exactly what you guys need to do in order to see the same results that I've had. So it's called the 5-6 rule. So right here is what it is. You have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So there's 6 of those. 5 times 6 is 30. And Instagram lets you use up to 30 hashtags, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to find 5 hashtags that are being searched from 1 to 5,000 times. You're going to find 5 hashtags that are being searched from 5,000 to 10,000 times, all the way up to 500,000 to 1 million plus. Okay, so how that looks is I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go to my Instagram account, and I'm going to search hashtags that say business, for example. So business has 35 million posts. Business casual, 500,000 posts. Business owner, 4 million. So right here, these 3, 4, 5, basically, I could use for this category from 500,000 to 1 million. So as soon as I find those hashtags that fit within that criteria, I copy or I type them on my notes or Word document so that I have them set up for when I'm about to post. So now that you guys kind of understand how I find those different hashtags, it's going to look something like this once you do basically search and find all those different hashtags for the 5-6 rule. So you guys can see I have a lot of them, and depending on the pictures that I'm posting, so if it's about YouTube, I have a YouTube hashtag list. If it's about marketing, I have that. If it's about business 101, if it's about entrepreneurship, I have different hashtags depending on the picture that I post, okay? So this is going to take you some time, and it is a little tedious, but I promise it works really well. So now to kind of show you right here my travel hashtags and my surfing hashtags, and to basically show you why I do this, is you want to basically find hashtags that are related to the post that you are posting, okay? So for this particular picture, I'm in Santorini in Greece, and it would make 0 sense to be tagging hashtags about dogs or about sports. I'm not playing sports, there's no dogs in the picture, I am traveling. So it only makes sense to post hashtags about traveling. So as you guys can see, my hashtag, my first one is travel, luxury life, internet business, travel guide, travel bag, travel us, work smarter, not harder. So basically everything related to traveling and also business, because if it wasn't for my online business, I wouldn't be able to travel. So that is what you want to make sure is you want to create hashtags that are similar to your account. So if it's a sports account, these hashtags are all going to be sports related. They aren't going to be talking about traveling. The same thing with my surf hashtags. In one of my pictures, I'm surfing, And what am I going to do? I'm going to be talking that I'm double surfing, I'm wake surfing, but at the same time I talk about make money at home, boating lifestyle, Amazon FBA, make money online now. So basically, same concept. I'm boating, but it's because of my online business and what I'm doing, I'm able to do that. I'm basically able to live that lifestyle. So that's what you want to make sure you do when you're doing this hashtag strategy, is find hashtags that are related to basically your Instagram account. You want to make it related, and you don't want to just have random hashtags, because if you do that, then it's going to penalize you, okay? So please make sure that you are finding hashtags that are related to your Instagram account, and then do the 5-6 rule like we have right here. So find 5 from 1,000 to 5,000, and do that a bunch of different times. And that's the reason why I have so many, is because if I was to use this same exact hashtag setup for every single one of my pictures, Instagram isn't dumb. They're going to recognize that. I'm not going to be able to rank easy, but if I have 5 or 10 or 15 like I have, I can basically rotate through and use different hashtags for each post that I have. And so it makes it super convenient. As soon as I post, I go in and I copy and paste it, and then I go in and I post it in my comment section. So that's another thing that you guys can do, is in your comments, as soon as you do post a picture, you're just going to basically add a comment, and like I have right here, and you're going to add a few periods, and then you're just going to paste right there, and then it's just like it as if it was in your description above. So go and use this little hashtag strategy. I promise it works. I have evidence that I've literally ranked for hashtags from 3,000 posts to all the way up to 1 million. So my account isn't huge. I mean, I have 15,000 followers, but the whole purpose of the strategy is so that you rank for the ones from 1 to 5,000, and then you start ranking from the 5 to 10,000, and then it just slowly starts to build. So instead of just trying to rank for the highest search volume hashtags, that's very difficult. You're going to want to rank for the lower ones and stay ranked, and then the more people that see those on the certain searched hashtags, the more organic profile visits you're going to get. And then if your profile is optimized, like I was showing you with your Instagram handle, your bio, the Instagram story hack, and people are interested in what you're posting, then it's going to lead to a follow. And the more followers you have, the more potential customers you have for your affiliate marketing. So that is basically how everything ties in together. You want to basically strategize with every single basically point of Instagram in order to set yourself up to success. So please go do the 5-6 rule. It's going to take you a couple hours to basically find all these hashtags and create a list like I did, but I promise it's going to pay off. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.